Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Bhavnagar in Gujarat to attend the Samudra Se Samriddhi event, where he unveiled development projects worth over 34,200 crore rupees. A major focus was on boosting India's maritime sector, with key initiatives launched to strengthen shipbuilding and port infrastructure. The Prime Minister also emphasized the importance of self-reliance, stating that both chips and ships must be made in India. Here's the report.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Gujarat, where he participated in the Samudra Se Samriddhi event and launched development projects worth over 34,200 crore rupees. In a landmark push for India's maritime sector, the Prime Minister inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for key initiatives worth over 7,870 crore rupees. The Prime Minister also launched additional projects totaling 26,300 crore rupees, marking a historic milestone for the state's growth and India's vision of becoming a developed nation by 2047. He emphasized India's long history of expertise in shipbuilding, adding that reforms today would help revive this legacy. He noted that in the last decade, over 40 ships and submarines have been inducted into the Navy, with most of them being built in India.
भारत को अगर 2047 जब देश की आजादी के 100 साल होंगे, 2047 तक विकसित होना है, तो भारत को आत्मनिर्भर होना ही होगा। आत्मनिर्भर होने के अलावा भारत के पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है। 140 करोड़ देशवासियों का एक ही संकल्प होना चाहिए, चीप हो या शिप, हमें भारत में ही बनाने होंगे।
The Prime Minister emphasized that India's maritime ambitions are supported by three major schemes aimed at providing financial backing to the shipbuilding industry. These initiatives will modernize shipyards, adopt cutting-edge technology, and elevate design and quality standards. Over 70,000 crore rupees will be invested in these projects in the coming years. PM Modi reiterated the importance of self-reliance for peace, stability and prosperity, both within India and globally.
हमें ये बात हमेशा दोहरानी है, जितनी ज्यादा विदेशी निर्भरता, उतनी ज्यादा देश की विफलता। विश्व में शांति, स्थिरता और समृद्धि के लिए दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी आबादी वाले देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनना ही होगा। हम दूसरों पर आश्रित रहेंगे तो हमारा आत्मसम्मान भी चोटिल होगा। 140 करोड़ देशवासियों के भविष्य को हम दूसरों पर नहीं छोड़ सकते।
PM Modi also visited an exhibition showcasing India's maritime capabilities at the Samudra Se Samriddhi event. The Prime Minister participated in a massive roadshow in Bhavnagar, where thousands of enthusiastic citizens gathered to welcome him, showering him with flower petals. In a heartwarming exchange, a young boy saluted PM Modi, who returned the gesture with a warm smile, reciprocating the people's immense love and support. Mohammad Afzarul Hassan's report for DD India.